Good evening, students of Gulu University. We are here, your GRCs, your leaders, the members of the 23rd Guild Council. We are trying to let you know that we are so dissatisfied with the 23rd Guild government, the government of Mr. Aaron Oketayot and his speaker, the speaker that was impeached and is illegally carrying on a meeting where they are discussing matters without administrators. The students of Gulu University are having very many pertinent issues that needs to be addressed, and the council has the powers to proceed with a meeting even when the dean of students, the relevant important administrators, are not in the meeting. We came here ready to advocate for the affairs of the students. The government students have not received their allowances, hostel issues are pending, requisitions are pending, and we have no answers, and yet we're in the evening of the government. Many ministries have not even conducted activities, and yet the activities that were not conducted, they have refused to even provide records of account. Our money!